Line up, everybody, line up. Go down there, line. Get in line. All right, y'all, come in. We got y'all here today is to show y'all basic skills on how to use tools for building projects, you know, like houses, dog houses, or how to fix on toys, put together furniture, you know, different things that you gotta learn being a man, because one day y'all gonna be men with your own families, y'all gonna have to be able to take care of them. You can't let the women be doing it. Y'all gotta be responsible for doing this. Understand? So, with that being said, this right here, these guys here, each one of them, they're gonna introduce themselves, and they're gonna let you know what they do. And we're gonna get started with showing y'all some basic skills. We're gonna start with the youngest to the oldest. That's how we're gonna do it.
Good morning, young men. My name is Wayne Osborne. I'm a plant manager of a company called Forterra Pipe. Not gonna bore you guys with that, but we are gonna show you some very interesting things as far as handling some tools and make you be able to build that doghouse that Dre was just talking about.
Good morning.
Good morning.
All right, quality. My name is Rick, and I'm with Forterra also. I'm one of the quality guys, the lead quality guy at our plant. And quality after safety is number 2. Safety is
that way. Yeah.
You have knee pads. I know what knee pads are for?
Yeah, knee.
I want knee. You have a extension cord. Y'all remember talking about using a safe extension cord? A proper extension cord.
Who can tell me what this is?
A yardstick.
What did he say? What did you say? Leather. Exactly. Leather. What's the leather for?
Leather, not something.
Exactly. How you use the leather? You see this? You see that? There's bubble in there? That bubble, when that bubble's in the middle,
It's leather.
that means it's level. Bubble that way, that means it's crooked. That way, that means it's crooked. Whichever way it's leaning, you want to make sure you bring that bubble right in that middle. They'll let you know that everything's straight. Feel me? Everything's straight. Just like your hairline.
Y'all know what this is? A square.
It's called a square.
To make two lines meet up at the same point. Both of them are gonna be square on a 90 degree. You also can do a lot of more other things with this. This is one of the famous tools a carpenter has right here. He can lay out a whole house just with this tool right here.
Like this. What is this? No.
A broom. Push.
What type of?
Push
What?
mop. Push broom.
Push mop. Exactly. It's a push mop. And it's used to cover dust, wide areas. A lot of people don't know how to use these. A lot of people do this. That's why it's not called a pull mop. It's a push mop. And you push it. And when you get it, pick it up, turn. You feel me? We're gonna give everybody a chance to demonstrate with this. What type of broom? Who said it? Who said sweep? Sweeping broom. Sweeping broom. Sweep, left hand, right. Sweep. And this is the most common tool you're gonna use. Now this right here, I know all y'all got these in the house. How many of y'all use these at the house?
A mini ladder. A ladder. Mini ladder.
That's a 4-foot ladder. And the proper way going up the ladder is one step at a time. Do not never step on this. That's a no-no.
Drill? You ever play with drill? You ever had a drill? Okay. What'd you do with that? All right. Now suppose you want to go the other way. How would you go the other way with it?
What?
You see? I told you. Now, see this? Push it this way. Now it goes the other way. Push that way, it goes that way. Got it? Real simple.
Get down.
Down like a
on a wedge, busting rock, different other things you do with it.
You can broken off with it.
This bad boy right here, don't ever hold something while somebody else hits it. That's the first thing that'll get you one of these black and blue thumbs where your fingernail is probably gonna fall off. So that's what I was doing. I was doing what he's doing, and we had a guy that was gonna swing, and he missed, and he caught my thumb and pushed it down to the piece of metal. So now my fingernail's probably gonna come off. That's about working safe. So Damien, that was a good catch right there. He was like, what happened to your thumb? That's what.
Understand this. Yeah, we gonna show y'all. We gonna show y'all. Okay.
I can't know how to tie it.
You can't know how to tie it? It's nothing to it. It's nothing to it.
What it for?
Clean.
Clean.
Jules, we gonna
Hit it now.
there you go.
He said put on that plate. He said put it on the plate. Yeah.
Make sure you put some pressure on it. Push down on it. Begin.
Get it nailed in real good.
Yeah, there you go. Until you get them straight. If you want to go a little more, go a little more. Put it back on there.
Take the garbage out of
All right.
Like, you don't want this on the outside to show. You gotta have the backside showing, man. Put it on there like this. Now take it like this, now loop it over just like that. And when you loop it over, you're gonna hold it right there. That's the backside showing.
Here, you can mark it like this. Then you can come back with your square.
Come gather around. Right here.
Shape like this, or like this, or like this. Then we use a square. All right, Wayne Osborne, guys, with Forterra Pipe and Precast, Como, Mississippi. We had a blast out today working with the kids, teaching them. These guys are our future, so we have to make sure that we get out, put the support in with them, teach them what we can, bring a good future.
My name's Cowboy. I'm 22 years old. I was born and raised in Long Time, Mississippi, but I live in Como now. I work for Forterra Pipe and Precast. Today is the Build a Men program. I help young men develop skills that they'll use to, one day build their own house. I mean, I had real fun doing it, giving back to the community. It made me feel real good.
My name is Gary Jackson. I'm the local handyman. I do decks, porches, little odds and jobs. Basically, I'm just all around man.
My name is Rick. I'm one of the instructors on quality here for our program, mentoring our young kids in our community. I think we had a great event, a great day.
What's your name, your age, and what you love best about this experience?
Name, Aterion. My age, 11.
What grade you in?
5th.
What you love best about this experience?
We built a bird house.
Okay. What's your name?
Quadric.
How old are you?
8.
And what you love best about this experience?
Building.
Building.
My name is Monte. I'm 11 years old, and I like when we built a chalkboard.
Okay.
My name is Aiden. I am 10 years old. My grade is, I'm in the 5th grade. My thing about this is that I like the building part. What's this say to me?
My name is Coco, and I'm 11 years old, and I'm in the 6th grade. And my favorite part about this place is the building and painting.
My name is Colin. I'm 10 years old. I'm in 5th grade, and I love the screwdriver.
My name is Darian. I'm in 5th grade. I'm 11, and I learned from this experience how to use tools. My name is Damien. I'm 11. I'm in 5th grade. My best experience is learning how to use a screwdriver.
My name is Chris, and I'm 10 years old, and what I like best about this place is learning how to build.
My name is Jeremiah, and I'm in 2nd grade. And my favorite experience was how to learn how to use a drill.
I'm Kyrie. I'm 14 in 8th grade, and my best experience here is using the drill.
I'm Showboat. I'm in 8th grade. I'm 14. My favorite station was the drill station.
I'm Cedric, I'm 13, and my favorite is like the drill section.
The best.
Hey, I must say, it was a beautiful thing, beautiful day. Building men, skill development workshop. This idea, it pretty much arrived from the concept of, the generational gaps between us and our youth. I feel like our young men, they pretty much tech savvy and they around these video games a whole lot. So I had an incident to where I had a young man had a flat on the highway and he didn't even know how to change a flat. So that kind of sparked the concept that we as men in the community have to get with our younger men and teach them just basic skills so they won't be out here lost or stranded, because they are the future men of the future and it's going to be up on them to take care of their families. So without just basic skills development, it just ain't no way around them not being able to do what they need to do to serve the community and to be prosperous and be their own man. Kids, they really enjoyed themselves and we was able to hold their attention something naturally besides it being something digital and visual with no cell phones allowed. And hopefully this is the beginning of something that we're going to continue in the communities in the future to come. So if your child in the community wasn't able to make this one, just know that we'll be doing this in the future, and we're also going to be taking this throughout into other communities. So we're going to be reaching out to other brothers in other communities that's trying to do the same thing in their communities as well. Reach out to y'all, and hopefully we can bridge the gap between us and our youth, our young men, most definitely. And maybe we'll build women later. We'll get with the women and we'll build them later. But right now, we're focusing on our young men in the community. We want to make sure that they get the basic skills that they need to be able to survive in this cruel world. 1.